Boost your gut health naturally. 5 fermented foods you need to try. Welcome back to Salimat's Holistic Health. Today we're diving into an incredibly important topic that impacts not just your digestion, but your overall well-being: gut health and fermented foods. If you've ever wondered how to improve your digestion, boost your immunity, or even elevate your mood, this video is for you. Why gut health matters. Did you know that your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, often referred to as the gut microbiome? These tiny bacteria play a massive role in digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and even regulating your immune system. A healthy gut can improve your energy, skin health, and even mental clarity. But when it's out of balance, you might experience bloating, fatigue, or even mood swings. The role of fermented foods. So, how do fermented foods come into play? These foods are naturally rich in probiotics, live bacteria that replenish the good bacteria in your gut. Fermentation is an ancient practice where microorganisms break down sugars into lactic acid, preserving the food while supercharging its health benefits. Think of it as food that works for you while you eat it. Top 5 fermented foods for gut health. Let's talk about my top 5 fermented foods that are must-haves for optimal gut health. Yogurt. Packed with live active cultures, yogurt is perfect for improving digestion and fighting bad bacteria. Kimchi. A spicy Korean dish made with fermented cabbage, loaded with probiotics and vitamin C. Kombucha. This fizzy, tangy drink is made by fermenting tea and is known for improving energy and digestion. Sauerkraut. A classic fermented cabbage dish, rich in fiber, probiotics, and essential vitamins. Nika. A savory Japanese paste made from fermented soybeans, perfect for soups and marinades. The science behind fermentation. When you consume fermented foods, probiotics help strengthen the gut lining, improve digestion, and even produce feel-good chemicals like serotonin. Fun fact, did you know that over 90% of serotonin, the hormone responsible for happiness, is produced in your gut? That's why your gut health is deeply linked to your mental health. How to incorporate fermented foods into your diet. Incorporating these foods is easier than you think. Start your day with yogurt and fresh fruit. Add a spoonful of kimchi to your stir-fries, or sip on kombucha as a refreshing afternoon drink. Trust me, your gut will thank you. That's it for today, my health-loving friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more holistic health tips. Share in the comments which fermented food is your favorite or one you're excited to try. Remember, a happy gut equals a happy life. See you in the next video.